Most beginners fail online not because they're lazy, but because they chase every new make money trend without a real plan. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to actually start making money online in 2025, even if you've never earned a single dollar before. Hey, I'm Santosh, and on this channel, I share beginner-friendly ways to earn income online without ads, without big budgets, and without tech stress. If you're new here, subscribe, because every week I post real strategy. Before you start clicking random links or joining secret programs, you need to understand one simple truth. Money online flows to people who solve problems. Whether you make videos, write emails, or share tools, you're getting paid for helping others save time, save money, or reach their goals faster. That's it. That's the whole game. If you can help people do that using simple systems, you can build an income that grows month after month. Now, there are hundreds of ways to make money online, but for beginners, the easiest and fastest is affiliate marketing, because you don't need to create your own product. You just promote products that already exist and earn a commission every time someone buys through your link. Here's a simple system you can follow. 1. Pick one platform like YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook Reels. 2. Choose a proven product, something that solves a real problem. PBR 3. Build a mini funnel so people can find you. Join your list and see your offer. That's it. No ads, no website needed. Here's what I recommend to start completely free. Leadsly, it's your all-in-one system. You can build funnels, collect leads, send emails, and even track clicks. Bathtub, Canva for thumbnails and designs. Leaky for creating faceless videos like this one. If just these 3 tools, you can build a working online business from scratch. Now let's put it all together. Here is your step-by-step beginner plan. Step 1. Join a free tool like Leadsly. Step 2. Import a ready-made funnel. I'll link mine below. It's called Money Magnet. Step 3. Connect your affiliate link first. Step 4. Drive traffic using YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, or TikTok videos. 5. Collect emails, build your list, and follow up automatically. Get your turn first. It's the same system I use to make consistent affiliate commissions. And it works even if you're starting from zero. Here's what most people won't tell you. It's not about getting rich overnight. The real goal is building digital assets, your list, your audience, your content. Because once you have those, you can promote anything forever. So stop chasing shortcuts and start building something that grows with you. If you want my free beginner system, the same one I just showed you, click the first link in the description. It's a complete step-by-step guide called Money Magnet, and it'll help you build your first affiliate income online. Don't just watch, take action, and I'll see you inside the system. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.